The Ufer Wells window well mounting system allows you to replace this window well without damaging the concrete. We are installing the exact same window well, just in a method where it won't rust again. It's going to be in the same location, so we can reuse the existing window well cover. It's going to seal, mechanically seal with a gasket between the window well and the foundation, so no water can get in. And it's going to prevent it from rusting. And at the end, we put fresh rock in the bottom, and we put the landscaping material back around the edge of the window well, so it's a finished look.